Guess what's going on again, guys? Fire alarms are going off again. I don't know why they're going off again. Yeah. Anyway, Cubs and Indians,
Gomez. It's off the front foot of DeWitt, so it's foul.
Second day in a row. I don't know why they're going off again, guys. But, hey. For some reason they're going off again. I do not know why they're going off again. Second in a row. I don't. Sorry if it's too loud for you. They just went off yesterday too. I don't know, guys, but it's just weird. I do not know why they're going off again. Maybe someone's just pulling the alarm, but I'm in my socks too. But they're. Do you hear the alarms going off? Yeah.
What happened? See anything? No.
No. For some reason.
Just a broken alarm. Just a broken alarm?
Yeah. Yeah, but they're going off again. So the second time today they're going off. Second time, I'm not today, but they just went off yesterday. Hear how loud they are? For some reason they went off yesterday, and again, hang on, my mom's shoe in the way. Wow. Just weird. Fire truck should be coming soon. Like I said, they went off. Yeah.
It goes off every day.
What? Did it go off on Friday?
It goes off almost every day.
But yeah. Yeah. And the fire trucks are coming again, so you hear them, guys? Yeah, they're going off right again, guys. The fire trucks. I don't know, it's probably just a broken alarm like my friend Alex said, but they went off yesterday too. But yeah, they went off yesterday too, and it was pretty weird. And there goes the police. This is interesting. Wow. Again. They actually went off yesterday around this same exact time too. I'm gonna delete a video. I don't know why I just did that noise for no reason. But yeah. Wow, there's more fire trucks. The Cubs are winning now, so it's pretty good. It's 3-2, Cubs leading the Indians. I don't get why this is happening lately. Maybe it's probably just a broken alarm. Again. This is interesting. I just took off the jersey. And there's a ladder. Did that yesterday too.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did that yesterday too. Yeah. Yeah. What? Eh. Cubs and the Indians. He's a Sox fan, but whatever. But yeah, there was the ladders. Huh. Wow. Yeah, I remember they were doing that yesterday too. Yeah, there's one down there. Oh, wow, even Bridgeview's coming too.
That was Bedford Park.
In Bedford Park. Wow. I'll be back. And they're off now, so the alarms are not going off anymore, so that's good. So yeah, that's good. But I wonder why fire trucks from like Bridgeview, Bedford Park were coming. But yeah, so fire alarms going off. Oh shit! I sat in water. All right, well that's it for the video, guys, and yeah, hopefully this doesn't happen again. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. But anyway, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later, and like I said, hopefully this doesn't happen again tomorrow, and bye guys. I gotta change my pants because I sat in water. It's gonna be the last part. I had to change my clothes because I sat in water, and I was wearing, dang, wow, this is interesting, but wow. This is more interesting than yesterday's fire alarm. But yeah, guys, this is for sure it, so bye.